Welcome back to the channel where we explore the world's finest machines that blend design, innovation, and heritage. If you love sleek Italian curves and the thrill of raw performance, don't forget to subscribe and join us on this ride. Today, we're taking a closer look at the breathtaking 2026 Maserati MC20. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance, what's new in this model and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. If you are new in this channel, let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes. Don't waste the time, let's start the video. From the very first glance, the MC20 captures attention with a sculpted body that's equal parts elegance and aggression. The front end features a bold new grille design and slimmer, high-tech LED headlights that sweep back into the fenders. Massive side air intakes aren't just about looks, they cool the engine and brakes while improving aerodynamics. The butterfly doors remain one of the MC20's most striking details, rising upwards to reveal a cabin designed around the driver. Around back, a redesigned rear diffuser and slender LED taillights enhance the sense of width and drama, while dual exhaust tips hint at the power that lies underneath. Slip inside, and the interior is a statement of modern Italian craftsmanship. You'll find an artful mix of carbon fiber, Alcantara, and premium leather stitched with care. The driver-focused cockpit features a flat-bottomed steering wheel wrapped in Alcantara, large aluminium shift paddles, and a fully digital instrument cluster that brings together performance data, navigation, and customizable displays. The center console houses a sleek 10.25-inch infotainment screen that offers wireless smartphone connectivity and Maserati's updated multimedia system. Even in a car built for speed, luxury remains. Dual-zone climate control, optional Sonos Faber premium sound, and seats that manage to be both supportive on the track and comfortable for longer journeys. Under the hood, the heart of the MC20 is Maserati's 3.0-litre Nettuno twin-turbo V6, now refined to produce around 640 horsepower and 540 pounds-feet of torque. This power plant uses race-inspired technology like dry sump lubrication to stay reliable under high G-forces and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast shifts. The result: 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.8 seconds, and a top speed that edges close to 210 miles per hour. All of this sits in a carbon fiber monocoque chassis, making the MC20 incredibly light, stiff, and responsive whether carving through mountain roads or pushing hard on the track. Of course, all this Italian artistry and engineering brilliance comes at a price. The 2026 MC20 starts at around $250,000, but with tempting options like carbon fiber exterior upgrades, special paint, and the premium audio system, most buyers will see the final price rise well above $300,000. Yet even in a world filled with exotic supercars, the MC20 stands apart with its blend of heritage, cutting-edge design, and unmistakable Maserati soul. If you enjoyed this look at the stunning 2026 Maserati MC20, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exclusive tours of the world's most exciting cars. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.